Hi friends, in this arithmetic progression, we have the square of fifth term and square of 11th term. The sum of these two terms is actually 3. At the same time, the product of second term and product of 14th term is some p. We have to find the product of first term and product of 15th term. These terms that are given, they look odd, but there is some relation between these terms. Why? 5 plus 11 is 16, 2 plus 14 is also 16, 1 plus 15 is also 16, right? So the difference, so for example, A5 is A1 plus 4D, right? And A11 is A1 plus 10D, right? So 4D and 10D, that's a 14D. Here also A1 plus D, A1 plus 13D, 13D plus 1D, 14D. Here also A1, A1 means no D and A15 means 14D, A1 plus 14D. So there is a 14D. In all these three cases, there is some 14D. Let's try to use this relation and extract these terms. Right. So we have A5 square plus A11 square and A2 and A14. What is A2? A1 plus D, that is A plus D if you assume B as the first term. A14 is A plus 13D. This product is equal to P. If you do this multiplication, A square plus AD plus 13D, which is 14AD, plus 13D square equals P. Right. Let's keep like this. This is what we are getting from this one. Let us see what we get from this one. This is A plus 4D whole square plus A plus 10D whole square equals 3. If you open this brackets, a square plus 16d square plus 2 fours 8 ad plus a square plus 100d square plus 2 tens ad 20 ad equals 3. Right. So a square plus a square is 2a square. 16d square plus 100d square is 116d square plus 8ad plus 20ad is 28ad equals 3. Right. This means a square plus 58 by 2. Sorry, 116 by 2 is 58d square plus 28 by 2, 14ad equals 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Right. We have a square and 14ad here, and we have a square and 14ad here also. So if we subtract this one from this one, we'll get 58d square minus 13d square, which is 45d square. Right. Equals this 1.5 minus b, which is 3 by 2 minus b. Right. We are getting, so why, how did this help? Because of this a square plus 14ad. We earlier also we discussed this 14 is whatever extra d's. If, for example, here a plus 13d, this is a plus 10d. That 14d is useful and it's come to real use for us here. Right. Because this is also in terms of a square plus 14ad. This is also in terms of a square plus 14ad. So we have got 45d square equals 3 by 2 minus b. And what is the product that you want? A1 into A15. A1 into A15 is A into A plus 14d. Right. A square plus 14ad is the term that you want. Right. That is product of A1 and A15. We have 45d square is 3 minus 2p by 2. That means 13d square is what? D square is 3 minus 2p by 2 into 45. 3 minus 2p by 90. So 13 square will be 13 into 3 minus 2p by 90. We know what is this? 13d square. Right. Now what we want? A square plus 14ad. Right. Because A1 into A15 is A1 into A plus 14d. Right. That is A square plus 14ad only. We want that is this product only. So A square plus 14ad is what? P minus 13d square. What is P? What is 13d square? 13d square is 13 into 3 minus 2p by 90. This is in terms of P. So P minus something which is in terms of P. That is what we want. P minus 13 into 3, that is 39 minus 13 into 2, 26p by 90. This is what we want. So 90p minus of minus 26p is 90 plus 26, which is 116p, minus 39 by 90 is a square plus 14ad. That is the product of a1 and a15 in terms of p. Right, guys? This is such a simple problem, but we need to find the similarity or find the relation between these different terms. That is 5 plus 11 is 16, 2 plus 14 is also 16, 1 plus 15 is also 16. These three pairs of terms are related this way, and that's how we are able to solve this problem. Right, guys. Thank you. Hope you like this.